welcome back to the Dr. Balmer channel. So yeah, I'm sorry for the last video, the way it ended, especially my phone battery actually did die, so now we're at least hooked up, so on a charger here, so it shouldn't die again this time. But the video was kind of long anyway, so yeah, like I said in the end there of the last video, we have installed the SSD. We have run a simple benchmark, and we can see that there are quite some improvements, even going from the very old hard drive to a very cheap and but still it's not a no-name SSD, it's an XR drive, so but it's, I mean, by today's standards, I mean, yeah, you get pretty good upgrade from when you go from a 2004 hard drive, so mechanical one. So yeah, so these are the numbers, and I thought that today let's in this video let's continue from where we left off, and this is pretty much where we left off on the crystal disk mark. So let's close it. Yeah, so data migration, let's have a look at that today. How we can migrate the entire Windows installation from the mechanical hard drive to the SSD, and then how we can boot from the SSD. So I just googled a bit, and I found some free software called, I haven't really looked into it so much yet, but it's called Macrium Reflect. They have a paid version as well, but let's just try this one. Let's see here. Yeah, the mechanical hard drive. It's a master boot record drive, 150 gig. We have a system reserved partition in the beginning. Then we have the main C partition. We're using 52.5 gigabytes. And then we have some partition as well at the end there of 437 used megabytes out of 519. And then below here we have the XR SSD with its good partition table, but I think it will be overwritten by whatever master boot record perhaps. And yeah, we have two partitions here. One is just a small 60 megabyte primary partition in the beginning, and then we have the 238 gigabytes at the end here. So well, without further ado, let's see what we have here actually. Definition of file script, schedule backups. Well, we're not interested in that, so let's just choose clone this disk. Okay. Drag partitions to destination disk, or click copy partitions. So we have let's see here, source, we have disk 1, and select a disk to clone to. Yeah, this one. Okay, and so I suppose copy partitions, extract partition offset in length, shrink or extend to fill the target disk. Yeah, I think we can go with the first one. Yeah. Or if we undo, let's see what happens if we choose this one. Yeah, okay. Alright, so it's pretty smart. I mean, it does keep these ones, this sort of not the main partitions we want, at the same size as previously on the mechanical drive, but this main Windows partition, it extends it. So yeah, this is perhaps what I want. Okay, let's click next. So schedule this clone. No, I don't think we have to. So just continue. Clone summary. Yeah, from this disk, destination disk 2, let's select SAR, verify yes, delta no, SSD trim yes, power saving no, okay, no schedule, operation 1 of 3, copy partition, the first partition, the second partition, and the third partition. Okay. And so we press finish. So what do we want to do now? Run this backup now. We don't have to save the backup definition file. We're just doing a one-off thing here, so okay. Okay, the following drives will be overwritten. D. We confirm and continue. So yeah, it seems like it has started now, and I mean, I don't know if this will be painfully slow now, because the hard drive is slow. We did have a read speed of about 38 megabytes per second or so, sequential I think, and yeah, but let's see, after clone, oh no, something's happening. Oh, clone failed. Error 9. So, okay, I wonder what that means. Okay, we got a CRC error. Read failed. Okay. So that's annoying. Yeah, the mechanical hard drive isn't very good, I suppose. It's a bit dying, but one would think that I could at least allow it to continue. Anyway, but perhaps not then. So can I I'm just looking in the menu here if there are edit defaults and settings. Can I somehow creation verify the integrity of the file systems being backed up? But this isn't the CRC error, perhaps. Cloning. Perform intelligence sector copy. SSD trim, preference and copy. Okay, but can I what if we don't verify? Advanced settings, advanced backup settings. Oh, there we have ignore bad sectors when creating images. Perhaps perhaps we can do that. Let's see here. Okay. So maybe let's see here. I just checked that the settings actually got saved. No. So if I change the tab here, it doesn't save, it seems. Let's verify again. Yeah. Oh, okay. No, sorry. Ignore. Yeah. My bad. All right. Let's try this again then. So let me clone this disk. Right, select this to clone to, this one, and copy partitions, shrink or extend. Yeah, there are advanced options. Okay, yeah, the same options that we had in the settings previously. So next, no schedule. Yeah, finish, run the backup now. So let's see if that setting will save us here. But it's interesting. I mean, yeah, I know that that hard drive is pretty much okay. No, we still got clone failed. Okay, so let me have a think. Okay, so let's try this then. Instead of intelligence sector copy, let's just go for a forensic sector copy, as they call it. It's optional. Copy all sectors from the source disk, whether they are in use or not. Will take longer than intelligence sector copy. But okay, let's just go with that. And then we clone this disk. Yeah. Copy partitions. This one. Next. Finish. And back up now. Let's see what it does. This is interesting. I mean, if it could ignore those errors, it would be nice. So let's see what happens. No, clone failed still. Okay. Let me have another think. Right, so I couldn't get the Macrium Reflect to work with the damaged sectors on the disk. So let's try the how to pronounce this, AOMEI backupper standard. I saw a YouTube video where, as I understood, they claimed that it would be able to clone a disk which has CRC errors. So I'm installing it now. Let's see if it will work. Let's close the Macrium one, and let's close that one. And try this one. Very interesting to see how this one works. So, what have we got here then? We have clone, system clone, disk clone, partition clone. Let's go for disk clone. So, source disk. Select source disk. We select the mechanical drive. Destination disk. We choose the SSD. Yeah, overwritten. Yes. Okay. So let's see here. What have we got here? Edit partitions. Let's see what we get here. Okay, from this pro feature, copy without resizing partitions. Okay, so many options are only in the pro version. So let's just go with the defaults here and start clone then. Yeah. Okay, we get here. 1 second. Okay, so no, we don't want to upgrade now. Start clone. Okay. Oh. Okay, clone MBR system disk to another GUID partition table HD or SSD. It's not included in the free version. Bummer. Okay, let's go to disk management here, and let's see here. We delete this volume and convert to MBR disk. let's see. Okay, so can we see if it's, yeah, now it says convert to GUID partition table disk. Okay, let's try this. Let's open the AOMEI application again. Right. Let's go for clone, disk clone, source, destination. We have basic MBR. Next. Okay, SSD alignment. Okay, it says if your destination disk is an SSD, we highly suggest that you check the option. It will accelerate the reading and writing speed for a solid state drive. Okay, let's do that. Sector for sector clone. It will clone all the sectors, no matter if it's used or not, even if the sector is blank or is logically bad sector. Okay, but let's try this first. Start clone. Copying data. Okay, we have some sort of action here going on. Initializing, checking volumes, disk cloning, copying volume 1. What have our system updating? 32% currently. Okay. So far so good. So I will let it run for a while then. Now it is copying data. Okay, let's see here. Yeah. Okay, so we have copied 300 megabytes of 53 gigabytes. We have speed of 25 megabytes per second, 26. We're increasing. So yeah, okay. So the first gigabyte has been moved, cloned. So okay, I will let it run for a while and let's see how it goes. And I will be back shortly. Right, so some time has passed, and we can see that it has copied volume 2 now. Clone completed successfully, it says. Yeah. Okay. So great. Let's finish and let's have a look. Yeah, we have some data on local disk D. So that's great. Let's try to boot from that disk now. Let's try to boot into BIOS. Okay, let's try to get into BIOS here. I will press delete. Yay, great. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. I want to go into the Boot menu. So we have fast boot enabled. Let's see here. There, let's see here. Boot option number 1. It says Samsung. Okay. We'll go here. We'll choose the Lexar drive. And the second one is Samsung. So, yeah, but okay, we'll notice. We should boot from the Lexar now. It's marked as boot option 1. Okay. So great. Let's go to we just press F10 to save. We can press there is an exit button here, so let's press this one instead. Save changes and reset. Oh, I have not made any changes. Okay, let's see here. Boot. Oh no, it says Samsung again. So let's no, Lexar. Boot option 1. Yeah, Lexar. Okay. So why does it say that I haven't changed anything? Okay, but we press yes. I don't know if that's a BIOS bug or something, but I mean I did change it, so okay, let's see here. Will the boot be faster? And will it work? Will it actually boot? Oh, it did. So yeah, I think it works. This definitely booted a lot faster than previously, so that's good. And I mean, on the hard drive I could wait 7-10 minutes, and this was like 1 minute. So yeah, we're running off the SSD, and that's perfect. So let's end it there, perhaps. No, wait, we can perhaps format the yeah, exactly. I have a lot of partitions here. Let's go to disk management. So this is the mechanical hard drive at 150 gigabytes. Let's see if we can just delete all its volumes. Yep. Oh, I can't I can't delete the recovery partition, perhaps. Okay. Yeah. No, okay. Let's delete this partition. I want to extend this one, so I will delete this one like that. Yeah, this one disappeared here. Now I have a C partition. This one I don't know, but we can create a simple volume of this. This can be D now. This can be data or something. So the mechanical drive is there. And then let's extend volume, because then we can extend it into this unallocated space. Yeah, exactly. Finish. Great. So let's see here. Yeah, let's try to reboot now and see if it still works. Now I have deleted a partition on the SSD. So do a restart and see how much time it takes. Okay, so we're posting. Let's see if we can boot still. I think we should. Looks like it. Oh, this is great. I mean, not having to wait all that time for every boot on that mechanical drive. I mean, easily worth the $28 or whatever. So, okay, and Windows is bugging me. So let me just get through this. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We're running off the SSD. The AOMEI backupper saved the day, it seems. At least it's running. What I will do is I will run a check disk with the repair option on the mechanical drive and see if it can mark those bad sectors or something as bad, so it won't try to write there. It will be interesting to see what it finds. So we can look at that in the next video. But yeah, thank you for joining me on this adventure of migrating a system drive from a mechanical drive to an SSD, and seeing the performance increase. It's been great fun, and some very well invested $28, I think. it will save a lot of time, and yeah, saving time on the bench computer is pretty good, I think. So thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next one. Bye bye.